A sea of quiet black. The station floats in a quiet sea of black. No wind here, no sound from below can reach this high. Suspended in a perfect, unending silence between the stars. The lights of the cities below glow like small, scattered fires, like embers pinned to a dark, endless cloth. We pull back slowly, a movement as gentle as a deep breath. The world becomes a soft, solitary jewel in velvet darkness, a sight that humbles you to your core. Highways become intricate webs, thin, glowing veins of gold pulsing with a distant life. From the quiet sanctuary of the cupola, 7 windows on the world, we float in a profound and silent darkness. Below, the earth sleeps, a tapestry of city lights woven into the deep black of continents and oceans. In this moment, suspended between the infinite void and our home, you learn to watch, to wait, and then you see it, the first ribbon of light. A new color begins to move along the planet's delicate limb. It's a whisper of change in the vast, unchanging dark. At first, it is so faint you might think your eyes are playing tricks on you, a phantom born of fatigue and the deep desire to see something new. It's a mere suggestion of light on the edge of the world, a fragile luminescence that seems to breathe just at the edge of perception. You hold your breath, not wanting to scare it away. Then, a pale green ribbon begins to slip across the darkness, thin and almost shy, as if testing the night. It bends and folds with an impossible grace, like fine silk moved by an invisible hand. This isn't a storm, or fire, or anything of earth. It's a dance. The color slowly starts to grow, spreading like oil on dark water. The single ribbon is joined by others, and soon the shy glow becomes a confident, flowing river of light. Gentle waves of light roll over the night, a silent tide washing over Earth. It's a spectacle of cosmic weather, a solar wind made visible, and it is utterly silent. This is the aurora, the northern lights. A celestial ballet performed for an audience of stars, and for the few of us lucky enough to be watching from this vantage point. From our small perch of glass and metal, his eyes reflect the soft, moving lights. In that reflection, you see the wonder. You see the profound connection to this beautiful, living planet and the universe that holds it. It's a moment that changes you, a memory etched not in your mind, but in your soul. And then, almost imperceptibly at first, the aurora truly begins to dance. It's a silent symphony, a celestial ballet performed just for the station's crew. What begins as a faint, shimmering haze slowly gathers strength, fueled by particles from the sun colliding with our atmosphere. The energy exchange is invisible, but its result is this breathtaking spectacle of light. The colors begin to change and shift. The familiar pale green, born from oxygen atoms excited high above the surface, deepens into a rich, vibrant emerald. It's a living color, pulsing with an energy that feels both ancient and immediate, painting the edge of the world in strokes of impossible light. Then, other shades join the performance. Deep purple, a sign of nitrogen molecules in the upper atmosphere, slips in at the edges. Soft pink follows, a delicate blush against the darkness. Higher still, a faint, almost imperceptible crimson can sometimes be seen, a rare and fleeting whisper from the very edge of space. The light moves with a smoothness that seems to defy physics. It doesn't flicker or flash, it flows. It is alive, impossibly gentle, a river of photons cascading through the magnetic field. Each ripple and fold is a testament to the unseen forces shaping our world, a visual representation of the planet's protective embrace. It forms breathtaking patterns that stretch for thousands of kilometers, like a vast cosmic sea breaking against an unseen shore. Shimmering curtains, ethereal waves, great rivers of pure light flowing from horizon to horizon. From orbit, it is a wide, flowing sheet that faithfully follows the terminator, the delicate line between day and night. It is the planet's own twilight, a luminous crown worn by the sleeping hemisphere. Cities sleep beneath it, their own lights a pale, static yellow in comparison. Lakes and rivers, hidden in the darkness, suddenly gleam like polished silver, catching the celestial glow from above. Its sheer scale takes your breath away. From this vantage point, you see the whole picture, the intricate shapes and colossal structures that observers on the ground can never fully grasp. It's a perspective that changes you. In these moments, he is not a scientist or an explorer cataloging a phenomenon. He is simply a child of this planet, humbled and mesmerized, watching the secret show. It's a profound, silent communion, a reminder that even in the cold vacuum of space, there is a beauty that feels like coming home. A voice from the silence. The words are small and plain, chosen not to explain, but to deepen the wonder. From the silence of orbit, we speak simply of light, of charge, of the distant, ever-burning sun. Invisible particles race millions of miles, guided by Earth's magnetic lines. Our thin air turns that energy into pure, glowing color. Celestial brushes painting a vast night canvas. The moving lights are perfectly reflected, waves of green with hints of blue. A small, involuntary smile. A single tear, then silence. Earth speaks in colors the universe can feel. The aurora grows stronger, a breathtaking crescendo. The colors swell and pulse, more vibrant and intense. Immense curtains of light fold in slow, graceful movements. At times it reaches up, as if to make contact, to kiss the very glass. Polished surfaces catch it, first green, then purple, bathing the small space in otherworldly light. His hands rest on the rim, a gesture of reverence, a gesture of connection. Warm breath fogs the window. The aurora fills the frame, dwarfing the human figure. We are small, fragile beings, yet we have risen to witness this grandeur. He is not just an observer. In these reflections, he is part of the scene. The film opens to stunning, wide shots of Earth. From this godlike perspective, familiar shapes are edged by the faint glow of air. Small constellations of human activity shimmer in the dark. Great, winding rivers shine like veins of mercury. A slow, silent storm of pure light. A river flowing the upper sky. In the grand scale of the cosmos, we are unimaginably small, and yet we belong. Our planet, our sun, our existence, a tiny speck in an infinite universe. But we are linked in ways we rarely see. The aurora is proof. A single shimmering band hums softly with energy. Real ISS footage blends with artful images, seamless, immersive, true. We see the astronaut again, moving through the quiet corridors. His body knows a world without up or down. He returns to the window, drawn by an irresistible force. Touch is not quite the word. He hovers, feeling the light through the barrier. A portrait of quiet contemplation. The vast sheet of aurora shifts as the world turns. The edge of night brightens. The Terminator line. A brilliant band of gold arrives. The greens begin to pale. Vibrant hues dissolve. The sun reclaims the sky. The grandest show yields to the simple miracle of day. Before the end, one final subtitle appears. Even astronauts cried when they saw this. He closes his eyes for a second. A single tear glides down. The aurora thins and melts into the upper blue. City clusters vanish in daylight. The hard points of stars recede. The station turns its wings toward warmth. The music grows tender and soft again. Earth turns like a perfectly balanced coin. Sometimes the universe reminds us how small and how connected we really are. The image fades, and with it the sound, leaving only peace. From this vantage point, suspended between the earth and the infinite, the world reveals its secrets in a language of pure light. This is not just colors in the sky. It is an invitation to breathe, to take a single conscious breath that feels as vast as the cosmos itself. It's a moment to pause and reflect on our place in the universe, to feel the sheer, impossible scale of it all. Down there, a world of 7 billion lives, each with their own joys and sorrows, their own small, urgent worlds. And up here, a silent, shimmering curtain that dwarfs everything. From this perspective, you understand that Earth is alive in ways we can measure, and in ways we can only feel. We can chart the magnetic fields and track the solar particles, But no instrument can quantify the awe that settles in your soul. It's a heartbeat you can see, a planetary pulse felt across the void. The aurora draws one luminous thread so we can see the weave. It connects the sun to the earth, the invisible to the visible, the science to the spirit. It is the grand tapestry of physics made manifest, a reminder that we are part of a system so intricate, so perfectly balanced, it borders on miraculous. For the astronaut, it becomes a permanent part of him now, a vision behind his eyes. This sight is etched not just into memory, but into his very being. It changes the way he sees the world, the way he sees himself. It is a profound internal shift, and for those who watch from below, it is a shared wonder that connects us to him and to home. We look at the same sky, separated by a few hundred kilometers of atmosphere, yet united by the same spectacle. It is a quiet call to look up, to notice the beauty that unfolds above our heads every single night, to listen to the silent stories the cosmos is telling. In that shared gaze, there is a sense of shared humanity, a shared destiny. The borders that seem so stark and real on the ground dissolve into a delicate web of light. We are one people, on one planet, under one magnificent sky. When the moving lights fade, as the station glides into daylight, the feeling remains, like a long, soft echo in the quiet chambers of the heart. The spectacle is over, but the experience has just begun. The world keeps turning, the station keeps its path, a silent sentinel charting its course through the heavens. Life continues its familiar rhythm. But something is different now. The universe has spoken in a language of light, and for a few fleeting moments, we were there to listen, and we will carry that silent music with us, always.